New paper by Google, test time self-improving video generation agent. You no longer need to be expert at prompt engineering. So this is what a prompt would do, but this agent would figure out that actually let's make a better video by creating different scenes. So from the same prompt, it will just do better because it's self-improving agent, and let's see how it works. VISTA takes a user's initial idea and works in a loop to improve it. It plans detailed video scripts, generates several video options, picks the best one, has a team of specialist AI agents who critique this for visuals, audio, story, etc. And all of this is test time scaling. We don't need to retrain the model, so it's similar to reasoning of LLMs. And this is more like searching algorithm. And search algorithms are very good. It's how they beat chess, how they beat Go, and do a lot of these things with search. And we humans kind of search when we want to create good movies or whatever we want to do. Even current methods that exist, they may just improve the prompt a little bit, but they're not so complex. They don't work with all of the modalities and everything. VISTA aims to automate all of this stuff necessary for creating good videos or creating good movies and make it less reliant on users' prompt engineering. So there are two phases, initialization and self-improvement. So first, it takes user's prompt that can be like a spaceship entering hyperdrive. And then it's gonna convert that user's prompt to very detailed prompt description of the video, starting like with timestamps and scene types and characters and everything. So it can add context like duration, scene type, characters, visuals like environment, camera movement, and audio, sound effects, music, mood. And you know that VIO can generate this audio as well and then put that into the video as well. So this is probably for improving VIO and probably for improving the product of serving the users with VIO 3 by Google. It will generate multiple of these videos based on this prompt and pick the best one. The way it will do that is it will create a tournament of videos. So comparing these two videos and these two, and then this one wins. So comparing the two winners, etc. until there is the one winner, best video. And the way it compares, it uses this visual large language model to compare them, but it will also generate a critique before comparing the videos. It will also generate critique describing the videos like visual fidelity, physics, text to video alignment, etc. So it will use both the video itself and the critique to compare the videos. This will result in better comparison, in better performance. It's like investing more computation into choosing the best video by adding more effort in writing critique, so it will result in a better video selection overall. Then we enter the self-improvement loop, which is an iterative process. So first we have these agents that write critiques. So we have the normal critique agent that just writes a critique, balanced critique, what's good, what's bad. We have the adversarial agent that tries to poke holes and find issues with the video. And at the end, we have a single final agent, meta judge, that's gonna look at the both critiques, balanced and the adversarial, and synthesize the final critique. So it may fix any issues or any inconsistencies. And that's done for visual dimension, like visual fidelity, motion dynamics, camera focus, audio dimension, and context for text to video alignment, physical, common sense, etc. This will allow the model to get a very good detailed critique. So it's like investing a lot of compute into improving. So this is that test time scaling, that kind of search or thinking. This is a way to improve the model by just investing more compute, which is ultimately what everybody's trying to do. How do you convert more effort, more electricity, more compute into better output? Then, next agent in fourth step will take these critiques and optimize the prompt for generating the videos. It will review issues, define objectives. Then it will review the prompt itself, the beginning. It will also review the critiques and kind of figure out what needs to be done. with the prompt. And it will also review its own suggestions to make sure they are not flawed. And that's all deep thinking about the prompt, and then it will generate the new prompt and then go back into generating videos and creating a tournament and evaluating. And so this is that self-improvement loop. After it generates the videos, it's gonna go back again. So humans prefer these videos generated with this workflow over other best videos that they are being compared to. They also found out that removing any of these agents results in worse performance. Limitations, it depends on multimodal LLMs, so Gemini 2.5, so any issues Gemini 2.5 has, they would be propagated to this video model as well, video agentic framework. Also, they had to manually define the criteria for generating good videos, and those might not be exhaustive, there might be more criteria, so that's also a limitation. And computational cost, there is a lot of generation going on here. So I guess when video models become cheaper, this will become even a more viable method. Join my school to become AI researcher. You get all of these courses. It's free for now, but it's gonna be paid soon, so hurry up, link below the video.